In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make thousands of dollars every single day trading meme coins. And now this video is going to be fully uncut, raw, unless I haven't taken a trade for a while. I don't want to keep you guys waiting, but I'm fully going to be showing you guys basically my strategy, and you guys are going to be able to watch me do it live, and you can actually do this by yourself or recreate it by yourself. Now, if you guys are ever confused about anything in this video, you guys can actually go down in the link below. You can message me on email, and also I do have a free calls group where I do send coins that I think will go up. And then lastly, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do have questions, just put it down in the comments below as well. What I do, I have a bunch of unconnected wallets, and this is so that it doesn't show, you know, one wallet with 5% could be very bearish. So I'm just gonna be trading. Feels like a great week to break a new record. Bro, how do coins like this that are giga bundled even send, bro? It's my question. Oh wait, we got a 80%. Damn, this could have been easy. Dude, why is it so laggy? We got Nala. Oh, that's why that's a good coin. Chill cap. That's not even funny. And also, here's how I check if it's a good time to trade. You want to just look at coins bonding, and also you want to look at the volume on new pairs. Is it pretty active? I think right now it's a pretty good time. It's not like too much volume to where it's just a bunch of scams, which happens a lot. It's more like kind of slow but good volume. Now, if you don't look, bro, all of these tickers and names suck, so all of these coins are gonna rug. I think this is the best one, world record coin. Might try to find an entry on this. Oh wait, it's at an entry level. Wait for the next dip, come on. All right, I'm just gonna enter here. We got, the average entry is like 12. I think this might run. Got world record rock, world record cat, world record coin. I just feel like that's the best one. Small horse. Yeah, we're just gonna watch this, see if there's any bundles. There's no bundles. Average entry for everyone's pretty high, which makes me feel like a little bit more comfortable in my bag. As you guys can see, we're able to get the entry down here, and now it's at bro. Alright, the volume's kind of cooked on this. See, the only reason, guys, so you got to be really quick when trading, but the only reason I wouldn't ate this coin is because the meta's already dead, bro. Like, this world record coin is already running pretty well. So the only reason I can see this going is because it gets vamped, because the name and the ticker are like 20 times better. Like, speedrun is not really good, but world record coin, it's a much better name and ticker. It's the only reason I could see this reversing. So I'd probably want to see like 20K or want to see the coin bond. I usually like to hold for pretty long, but does it say Dex is paid? No, it doesn't. Oh, Nala is doing well now. Yeah, we just missed this one. It's fine though. I think Nala and this coin are the two best derivatives. I might just ape a little more. Honestly, if I don't see this get any more buys, I might just sell. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell. We made 0.3 Solana, so it's all right. It's not bad. First trade of the day. We gotta still warm up. Yeah, I don't really see this coin doing any better. Now also, guys, I am planning on doing giveaways. The way you enter is you just subscribe, like the video, and make sure you watch it all the way through. Basically, how these giveaways are gonna work is there's gonna be like a little secret word throughout the video. It's just gonna pop up randomly, and it's gonna say giveaway word. And you just have to message me on either Twitter or on, on my new Instagram I'm gonna be creating for this channel. And you'll be entered, and I'm just gonna do a raffle. And someone will get 1 Solana every single video. I'll obviously increase it as more people start to, you know, join and subscribe. Now, we can still look at this coin as a potential coin to re-enter. It is, what I like to look at is how many people are viewing it. A lot of times, if a coin has more than like 30 or 50 viewers, like, it's a potential coin where a lot of people are gonna FOMO into it. You could just hit like a quick trade on it. Like, if you look here, 300 people, and you could see literally it went up, dipped. I could have entered because there's probably 300 people watching, but yeah, look at this. Fastest coin to 100 mil. If we watch this thing do 100 mil live, that would be insane. I'm not gonna lie. But look how giga, it's so bundled. Even if you come right here, this guy holds 3%, but we got to keep in mind, like, this coin is 80% held by someone. So that big of a holder is actually like way bigger than it seems, you know what I mean? Like it's 3% of 80%, but there's only 20% available. So he basically holds like 20% of the coin, theoretically. Repost cat. What are we doing? We got a chance to actually break a record. Oh, I might snipe this. It's just a little too high right now. It's pretty bundled too. If we can get a 6K entry, I'll buy that. Yeah, it's going. See, like, look, if I look at this coin, more than 100 viewers tells me that there's a lot of interest for the coin. So it could probably actually do pretty well. Longest dog. The name is just too long. This would have been a good coin. Like, see, we missed this trade. If we just looked at the amount of people watching the coin, we would have known, you know, this has potential. Damn, this shit is running. 2 mil. I mean, I think it's gonna rug soon because look at this bundle right here. Someone holds. Every single little ghost symbol is basically most likely the same person. Oh, we got retweet, entry. Oh shit, nah. Oh nah, that was like a quick dip from there. All right, I'm just gonna watch it. This could rip if they actually try to do the retweet record. I wonder what it is. Yeah, this might dump. I like how it's holding this floor, but you can see the viewers are decreasing. Let's see. He said he's getting decks. I'm not gonna add, I'm just gonna hold this coin. Our entry is pretty low. The only issue is that I think it might actually just, yeah, it might just nuke. And like whenever a coin doesn't, it has a lot of viewers though, which is good. It is pretty bundled. You can tell by this initial candle to 10K. So yeah, these are all like the same holders for the most part, which can be dangerous. I'm just gonna hold it out. Let's see. Ooh, I didn't even buy. Yeah, we got new buyers coming through. I mean, it's getting good bids. I'm just gonna hold. I think this might do pretty well. I don't know, this faded entry guy, haven't seen him launch a lot. There's a couple of devs. Once you start trading, you'll see like who's actually good and who isn't. Let's see. Chill cat. Just kind of look at new pairs. There you go, getting nice buy volume. And that was a bundle, which, you know, you might think that's bearish when bundles are buying. I think it's probably the most bullish thing. A lot of the time it's KOLs bundling the coin, or people who know like, oh, I'm gonna try to push this coin higher, let me bundle it now. So I'm just taking some profits because, you know, obviously since I'm buying with like 7 Solana down here, it is higher risk. But now that I, you know, have basically almost all my initials out, it is much lower risk for me and I can just hold this trade out. So I do think this will take a next leg. You can see these bundles are buying it. So another bundle came in. The initial bundle bought more. And what that tells me is the DEX is probably gonna get paid, or it's probably gonna get a crazy candle soon, or it's gonna rug. So it's one of those three, but like you can clearly see like bundles are buying and selling. So it's like a bundle battle. Yeah, I might just go ahead and sell this. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a little pump. Sold it. So we just made like 2 Solana right there. Yeah, and you can see that was a good sell. It just dumped. I might want to re-enter here because we still do have 52 people viewing the coin, but realistically, I don't see, you know, people actually running the coin up. But these are our first 2 trades. We made around 2 Solana so far. So let's keep on trading, and I kind of want to show you guys like a really good trade. Usually when you are able to enter below 5K on like a really good narrative, it will get some candles and you'll be able to make a shit ton of money, which is where you actually make the good money. So if I come back to this coin, I did really like this narrative, retweet or repost cat. I've seen it done a bunch of times, but I do like the narrative, so that's the main thing. When it looks like this coin's starting to come up, getting decks and linking post. I might try to re-enter this. I honestly think it's still good. Oh, but we have someone else who bought below us. All right, I'm just gonna hold for now and let's see what happens. Maybe this guy, I don't know who this guy is, but maybe he's a pretty decent dev and he'll actually run it. And then we also got this guy who entered right here. I hate when people like enter with big bags like this because you could see he's clearly a Jeet. He sells for like 5% gains, which I can't. That's friendly fire. I'd be doing that too. We'll go ahead and right here, what I'm doing, I don't have people who track me, but they're tracking volume. I'm literally buying and then instantly selling on them because, you know, I do like this coin, but the only thing is like what are the chances that they actually run this up? And it looks like actually people I know follow him, so I'll go ahead and just hold this 5% I got here, and maybe this gets like some stupid god candle. Yeah, we still got Nala. This was clearly pretty bundled. I mean, usually you can tell. Like I said, if you see like these crazy candles from like 2K to like and more than 5K, just like a random candle, it's high risk. It's probably bundled. We just made another 0.6 sol right there. All right, I'm gonna hit like 3 more trades or 2 more trades for you guys, and then I'll probably end the video. But I just wanted to show you guys like basically what I do, what I'm thinking when I'm trading, and you know, how I run it up. And then, you know, you can clearly see I did hit a insane trade this morning. Look at that bar right here, you know, 5K. Like I said, that's like kind of the sweet spot, is like, I'd say 6K to like 3K. If you're able to get that on an early coin, and like there's so many different coins coming out at once, people don't know the good ones. If you're able to find the good one, you can actually make a lot of money. So my average entry, 6K with 9 Solana. It went up to 22K. So theoretically could have made, I don't know, 16 Solana, but we still made 11, and that's like $900. And you could see that, what is that, a minute? And then if I come down, you know, you could see my trading strategy is pretty high, high risk, but none of these coins are actually using my strategy. These are like long holds. Oh yeah, here's one more. This was an insane one. I low-key missed generational wealth on this one, but look at that. I got 2K entry with fucking 6 Solana, and it went up to 20K. So I don't know if you guys know, but that's like a stupid amount of multipliers. I don't know, 3K entry and it went to 20K. I don't know, that's like a 7x on 6 Solana. But I sold really quick because I was holding like 20% of the coin. We got bounce cat. I've never seen this GIF. I would say bouncing cat. It's kind of funny. And also what these symbols mean, I'll just break it down. This means someone sniped when they launched. This means bundle. So these wallets are not all connected. But like if I look here, you know, these 3 wallets are connected. Basically means it's the same person holding on 3 different wallets. Bounce cat. Who is this guy? Devs matter a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So if you see like someone consistently posting good coins, like whoever Juno Go is, like if he is posting good coins, then you know his coin will do well. That's why it's important to actually track devs. Once this wallet sells, 4% holder, I might try to get an entry, and then, but that's only if that happens. World record holders. Yeah, we missed this one. This one sent way too fast. Yeah, it spawned at 10K. Horse in motion, pogo cat. I like bounce cat a little more. All right, let's see. There you go. Nice. He sold. It's when we enter. He sold pompets. So we're gonna trim, enter a little more. Nice. We're getting some good bids. So I don't know, someone put 4 sol on us. I think this might do good. I don't know how famous. My Twitter is broken, so I gotta use a VPN. I hate when it does that. I don't know why it does that for me. Set a little sell limit there. Yeah, sometimes I gotta use a VPN for this shit to work. Bundle, good meme. Not enough hype to run. How many views? Barely has any views. All right, well, I'm just gonna sell. I'm gonna sell the rest on the next pump. All right, there you go. The only reason I did that, this GIF isn't viral at all. The guy is fully lying. Literally only has 100K views. If it had a few million, or at least a million, then like I would let it run. Did I sol early? It's okay, we'll take it. We made 3 sol right there. So we've made 5 sol, $400 in like, I don't know. It's been 10 minutes or 20 minutes, but we missed this. We would have made way more if we held. All right, on to the next. I didn't think it was a good enough coin to go to 10K. Oh, I didn't notice we have KOLs buying it. That's a big sign that it's probably gonna get a pump. These dudes don't want to ruin their rep, so they'll like usually bundle the coin after they buy. So it looks like they made money. It's so funny. All right, I'm gonna take one more trade for you guys. Archie. Turns out the world champion record with the fastest snail. Is this actually real? I'm gonna just bid a little bit. World's fastest snail. World's fastest Indian, bro. Archie. Oh, it is real. Wait, what? I feel like this is good, no? Fastest snail. No 80%. Oh, okay. He's just talking shit on this other coin. And look what I said, guys. I knew this was gonna dump. 2.5 mil. If we can get Archie to get some like buys. Damn, this is at 15K. Holy fade, huh? How much we would have made? We entered at 4K, so 3x. Damn, would have made like 16 sol. Oh, nice. See, we got some bundle buys coming through. I actually think this is a good coin. It just doesn't have enough eyes right now. It's the world's fastest snail. Like, it's pretty funny narrative, I think. Guess we'll see what other people think soon. Might just get out. Not a lot of volume happening. Yeah, we have a lot of bundles below us. It's pretty high risk. I'm just gonna sell. We still made money? How do we even, who bought? I didn't even see anyone buy. We still made 0.3. Let's see if we actually made money. Sometimes this thing's glitched. Bro, we actually still made money on that. That's hilarious. All right, I'm gonna take one last trade for you guys because I feel like that wasn't that good. Should have held this realistically. I would have made like 15 SOL. The volume is literally perfect right now. Like I love when it's like slow, but there's like a meta because you just wait. Oh yeah, here's my X boys. If you guys want to follow it, it's my spam account. It actually gets way more views than my main. I might just go over to this account, bro. EUSD Jet on pull. Nala is still, dang, Nala low key was a good entry. It is a good coin. All right, well I'm gonna finish trading. I don't see any new coins coming out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something, and make sure you guys do follow me on X and join the free community where I call coins, and I'll see you guys next video.